Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What's your name, sir?
Jonathan Ibarra, sir.
Judge, we currently represent Mr. Ibarra, so we'll go ahead and name our parents here as well.
Okay. So he's charged with domestic battery, endangering the welfare of a minor, unauthorized use of a vehicle. And he's here for arraignment. We'll enter the plea of not guilty.
I want to plead guilty.
Not yet, Jonathan. You'll need to speak to your lawyer, okay?
All right.
Judge, I believe the cases that are currently pending in this circuit are in front of Division 4 as well, so you'll have him come back on the 26th.
I will. January 26th at 9 o'clock will be your next appearance, sir.
Jonathan, Mark will be over to see you, but you need to fill out a new application for this charge, okay?
I tried to, and they said that they wouldn't give me one.
We'll take care of it. We'll make sure you get one, okay?
There's no way we could shorten this out. Like, just, I mean, I don't want.
If you have other charges, it's really best to just go through your lawyer, sir.
Mark's here in the courtroom right now, Jonathan. He's hearing everything we're doing. He'll be over to see you, okay?
All right, thanks. 26th January it is.
Yes, sir. 9 o'clock. Thank you. 16-113, State versus Michael Short.
Your Honor, for the record, again, I'm standing in. However, this time, counsel of record, I believe, is Mr. Patrick Benka.
Okay.
Mr. Short has recently hired Mr. Benka after working with Mr. Downham. And as of right now, I believe yesterday, Mr. Benka filed a motion to suppress.
All right.
And I don't believe either side is prepared to argue the motion at this time. And we would currently ask to leave the trial date set as is, and would ask the court if the court would set a new pretrial date for the hear the motion to suppress.
February 2nd.
February 2nd will be the motion to suppress, Your Honor.
Yes.
And again, this case is set for,
Let's see.
221.
thank you.
21. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, that concludes my business. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thanks, sir.
17-13, State versus Heath Lindsay. Burglary, assault. Sir, appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. Let's see, is he?
He's here for attorney service.
Has he been arraigned?
Yes, he was arraigned last week.
Okay. Very well. Stay in contact with your lawyer, sir.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
State versus Casey Jones, 16-428. Possession of controlled substances, paraphernalia, DWI.
DWI. How you doing?
So who represents you, sir?
Sir, this is a matter that was in district court, and I was being represented by the public defender's office, and refused to take their plea bargain, and they dropped the charges and refiled them as a felony. And I would like representation of Andrew or Paul Bayless.
Okay. They'll give you an application. If you'll just fill it out, I'll recall you. Dwayne Thompson has several cases. Is there anything to be done on his cases?
There's not, Judge.
today?
He's here, and he's, I believe, in compliance with the orders of the court, and he's bonded, so we'll just move forward with the pending cases as they're scheduled.
Okay, there's 16-434, 421, 420, 401, 399, 397, 273, 270, mostly thefts, breaking and enterings. Leave a schedule.
Judge, yes, he would like to be heard briefly on the issue of his, one of the requirements of his bond to wear an ankle monitor. So if you want to take that up now, or we can.
Okay.
Yeah, my kids are on the other side of the state line, I'm just on T, and I got to stay in Arkansas. I'd like to have the monitor off. I've always appeared, and I will keep reappearing.
How much of a bond did you make?
Not 35,000.
I'm not going to take the monitor off, but I'm not requiring you to stay in Arkansas.
You're not going to require them? Okay, that's all.
Is that in the standard bonding condition?
Oh,
Who told you that?
I've been through. I went from $105,000 bond to $35,000, and at first it was stated I had to stay in Arkansas. when it was brought up. So I just didn't know any different.
Who's your boss?
Exit. I didn't even ask. I've got a million things I'm doing, so.
General, there's no requirement from our office, this man is saying Arkansas, he can go to China as long as he's back on his court date. That may be a condition of his bond.
No, it was my misunderstanding. A horrible one.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.